Yummy. Yummy. I'm filming!
What's up?
Preheat our oven. La la la. That's awkward. My hand movements are awkward. Ugh. Hello, welcome back to Maedae in the Kitchen. I'm Maedae and Merry Christmas. Almost. But today we are going to do a Christmas dessert and I thought it would be fitting for a Grinch brownie. It is from the blog Kitchen Fun with My 3 Sons and it just spoke to me apparently because I love chocolate and I love mint and I love chocolate mint and mint chocolate and I thought it would be great. This recipe seems super easy and super fast, so if you want to do it with your children or your family or your significant other, then I suggest doing that because what's more fun than baking with family and friends, right? As I say that, I'm here alone, baking by myself. Well, if you guys are ready to see how these Grinch brownies turn out, then let's get baking. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe as well as hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also be sure to check out my Instagram, daily stuff. I always go like this because honestly sometimes I don't even post daily, but you do get to see some sneak peeks of me cooking in the kitchen as well as what restaurants I'm going to. So check that out on my Instagram. The first thing that we need to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it says to line a 9x13 baking dish with parchment paper. I don't have parchment paper. It's okay. She says that it cooks the brownies more evenly and stuff like that, but how many of you guys have cooked brownies without parchment paper? I'm sure lots of people have, so we're just gonna do it without it. Totally fine. It wanted us to get a box of brownies that would fit a 9x13 dish, but the brownies I got are 8x8 or 9x9. I got 2 boxes of brownies, but now I'm thinking that that's gonna be like too much, but then I don't want the brownies to be too thin. Honestly, I'm just gonna do one, and if they're thin, they're thin. That just means we're gonna eat more, right? Right. Okay, so brownie mix. You know, I didn't know how to pronounce this when I was younger, and these were the brownies that they always had at Costco, and I called these like Costco brownies. I want Costco brownies. Ghirardelli. Well, who would have known? Who would have thunk? Not 8-year-old me. 1/4 cup of water. Seems like so little compared to how much brownie mix we have. And then we need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Guys, you want to hear exciting news? So my parents have chickens and they just started laying eggs. So I'm not going to have to buy eggs pretty soon. Pretty cool, huh? And then 1 egg. And then we mix her on up. Easy peasy making brownies. I heard that brownie mix, like honestly, you don't even need like the water or the egg or something like that. Like they just throw it in there so that it seems like you're baking. Done. Woo! Now I need 26 mint Oreos. 26? That's a lot. Oh, 16. 16 for now, 10 for later. And we're just gonna chop them into quarters. Chop your Oreos and put them in your brownie mix. So I chopped those 16, put it in the batter, mix it. That doesn't seem like a lot of batter. And now I need to take the 10 left and put them in a bowl on the side after chopping. Oops. Spray my dish with cooking spray. Beautiful. And I think I should make the second one because this is not a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna make the second one. BRB. Okay, I'm back. So, I have another batch, and I'm just gonna spread it on top. Okay, I'm gonna go throw this in the oven now. My brownies are cooked and they're cooling right now. What I need to do is make the ganache, so that top green layer. That's what I need to do right now. Alright, oh my gosh. Okay, I need 2 cups of white chocolate chips. Half a cup of, what is this called? Half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And we are going to create a double boiler, so it just goes right on top, and we're gonna let it get to a boil, and then it will gently melt our white chocolate chips. Now I need to add a 4th teaspoon of mint extract and a few drops of green food dye. Now I'm gonna pour them over my brownies. Now I just put the rest of the Oreos on top. Oh my gosh, quickly, quickly. It like seems like it's already, wow, these have like none on this side. And then my red candies or red M&Ms. All right, it's done. How cute. I have to let it chill for an hour, and then I'm going to cut into it. I want to give it to my coworkers, but there's like 40 employees, and I would have to cut these so tiny. They'd be like the tiniest little bars. Alright, if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Thank you so much for joining me tonight on making some Grinch brownies. I hope you guys have time and try this out within the next week before Christmas, or if you're festive all year round, you can try them whenever. Because sometimes people like Christmas all year round. And with this year, who doesn't? Unless you're the Grinch, then you wouldn't like it. But then if you're the Grinch, you'd like not Christmas time. So then you would want to eat Grinch brownies at not Christmas times. Okay, well, all right, I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.